Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Elementary 26. Travel around the world. In this lesson, we're going to talk about two different ways of talking about the future. When to use be going to and when to use will for the future. Let's watch a short movie now. Stanley has a big offer for his friend Becky.
Hello, Becky. This is Stanley.
Hi, Stanley. What's up?
Becky, I've just made a big decision. I'm going to travel around the world and I'd like you to come with me.
The entire world?
Yes, all of it. I'm going to begin in Los Angeles and go west. I'm not going to stop until I come to Los Angeles again.
That sounds like an adventure.
It will be an adventure. Do you want to come?
Of course I do. How are we going to travel?
I'm not sure yet, but I expect we'll travel in many ways. Sometimes we'll take a plane or a train. Other times we'll ride the bus or go by taxi. Perhaps we'll rent a car or even a motorcycle.
Can you remember what Stanley is going to do? Let's see that bit of the movie again.
Becky, I've just made a big decision. I'm going to travel around the world and I'd like you to come with me.
Stanley is going to travel around the world. We use be going to for the future when we have a definite plan. So where is Stanley going to begin his trip? That's right, Stanley is going to begin his trip in Los Angeles. We've talked about when we use be going to. So when do we use will when we are talking about the future? I should tell Becky about the trip. I'll call her now. I'll is the same as I will. We use will for the future when we decide at the same time as we are talking. Fill in the gap with be going to or will. What about this one? Stanley and Becky are going to travel around the world. Try this one. Sometimes we will take a plane or a train. Well done! Today we've been talking about different ways of talking about the future. We use be going to for plans. Stanley is going to travel around the world. We use will for decisions at the time of speaking. I should tell Becky about the trip. I'll call her now. Well, that's all we've got time for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Bye!